All right, this is Virgin on a Tuesday. Last time I was here, it was on a Sunday, and it was dead. But they were a lot of construction last time I was here. This section right here is where I got cut off, and I had to go out towards the pool, which was fine because I hadn't been out there in a while. They got a lot of new restaurants in here. This might be the same old restaurant, just remodeled. Yeah, they used to have video poker at all those seats, which really made it nice. Because you could come in here while you're waiting for your Mexican food, and you could drink for free if you were playing, a decent amount of money. Especially if you knew the bartender. Wink, wink. Sometimes that's more important than how much you're playing. Then, of course, you got to tip him really big so he remembers you for next time. It's just corruption is everywhere. It's all levels. This is ice cream. Wow. They got to turn those lights down, man. This doesn't seem inviting at all. Seems like a science project. Seems like if I got ice cream from there, they would tag me and then see how long I'm gonna live. I'd rather take the vaccine again. Nah, that's not true. I'd rather take that ice cream. Okay. Wow. This must be a front for a flower shop. There's probably a flower shop back in the back where they're really making their money. If you're as old as my grandfather, you'll get that. If not, you probably won't. He's 50-ish. He might have rolled over. It might be 150. I'm not sure. That's back in the day when they didn't have more than 2 digits. I don't know what's back here, like a smoke shop or something. Photo booth. Is this 1995? Ooh. Look at this. This is definitely Hookah. There's a hookah shop. This is pretty cool. This is like I Dream of Jeannie. It's not open. There's something stopping me from. Not really stopping me. The law is stopping me. This is as far as I can get. This is really cool. Look at these seats. This is I Dream of Jeannie for sure. Oh, it's very nice. And then this lounge here is real nice. This used to be the sports book. Okay, let's see what this photo booth is. Yeah, touch. Single. Ready? Yep. 2, 1. Oh, I think it might be free. They didn't ask me for any money. I just took a picture of that black backdrop. I would like to have that for a screensaver. Yeah, I didn't see this before. This is Well, this is cool, but at the same time, what if you're sitting here and then a stranger's come sit there? It's kind of dark for that. So you'd have to have this whole I Dream of Jeannie out booth here to yourself, whether you had 14 people or it was just you. It'd be kind of weird if it was just you, but yeah, people do that. I like these TVs. We can make it all one or 4, or probably 16. They probably can do a lot of things, probably even more than 16. How cool is that? NASCAR, basketball, hockey. Ooh, that NASCAR race on Sunday was horrible. Absolutely horrible. I fell asleep. Well, they got a few people playing table games out here. Not a lot. See these people standing still at their tables? Guarantee when they go home tonight, they're so sore they can't sleep. Way more sore than when they have a busy group. Got a couple fell out already. Should have checked their IDs before they gave them that Long Island iced tea. This pizza forte looks delicious. Just looking, thank you. Real brick oven. Well, not brick oven. A high 800 degree oven. It's probably brick inside though. I don't know. I'm making stuff up as I go. Chicken sandwich $19. Burgers are around $15 and $17. I did have it when it was a different name, but I don't know if it's the same food. I bet it is, and it was pretty good. I remember getting terrible service in there. I asked the girl where she'd been. I've been sitting there for 20 minutes, and her answer was, "No worries." I said, "What do you mean, well, no worries?" It was me that was sitting here for 20 minutes without getting any service. I think it's me that would decide if there's worries or not, and there is worries. No worries. Gosh, I always hated that saying. This is a nice little sports bar, really. A sports book. Really don't need to do any more than this. This is not where they make their money. But this is convenient for people that want to sit in there while their spouse or their friend comes out here and plays these slots where the money is. Ooh, the Wizard of Oz. The special effects in Wizard of Oz, absolutely amazing, considering the year that film was made. Most people watching this were not even born. I mean, they had some really good effects. Even the house flying away and Toto in the window and all that still looks pretty realistic today. They did a really good job. Look at this. This is a strip joint back here. What time do the dancers come on? It's probably too early for them right now. Oh. Didn't expect that. Mohegan. I have to look that up. Does Mohegan own? No, they couldn't. Or does Virgin, is the casino managed by Mohegan? Because Virgin surely is not owned by Mohegan. There's so much dilution in the ownerships. Some of these casinos are owned, the land is owned by one company, the building is owned by another. Well, no, the land and the building owned by one company, the casino and the hotel is managed by a second company. There's sometimes three different deals going on one property. It's confusing. I still think that's the way it is at Hooters or Oyo. Well, Virgin's a nice place. It's just the rooms have just gotten outrageous. But the casino is beautiful. And you know, it's a walk up to the Strip for most people. Most people don't want to walk up to the Strip from here. A lot of people get a Uber or a Lyft or a taxi. I guess I could film it to show you how far it is a walk. It's not a. Ooh, no! I need to go to Alexis Park. All right, that's the end of. This is not a very impressive ending. Oh, darn it! I should have went out the other exit. Okay, that's the end of Virgin.